Hey everyone, I don't normally do reaction videos, but now I'm going to do a second one in 2 days. Yesterday it was all about the Facebook outage. Today, a new scandal. Have a look at this. Oh no, sorry, not that one. That's just another PMO award that I wasn't nominated for. A beautiful, shiny, gleaming award that would look just wonderful on my desk. Hey, if you want to do something about that injustice though, you just pop down to the comments and write PMO of the year. So this is what I wanted to show you. It's from about nearly a week ago, where this chap Abhishek had a terrible recruitment experience with Capgemini. And what happened is he'd been interviewed multiple times. Every time it was a fresh interview. Every time he got through the interview, he sent his documents over. And then when the offer comes around, he gets looped back around and has to have another interview. Every time HR's assured the round is cleared, no more communication, and then he gets asked for another interview and he's back at the beginning of the process. Clearly he's a skilled enough person, they like him, there are enough people at Capgemini who want to get him on board, but something is going wrong in the recruitment process. The interesting thing is what's happened next. I don't know how many views and clicks you need to have to be considered to have gone viral on LinkedIn, but this is picking up some momentum now. So he's had nearly 2,000 responses and 177 comments, and the comments are all reflecting similar experiences have happened at places like Accenture, and other people have experienced the same thing at Capgemini. But then if we go a little further down, we see that Capgemini themselves have responded, and they basically sent an apology and asked that he write into the interview help desk. This has prompted a lot of people to start replying as well, saying that they've had bad experiences with Capgemini and their HR processes, and they're actually expressing a lot of anger that Capgemini is asking for the date, time, location and people that were in contact, when really they should have access to these records themselves. So it's looking quite bad for Capgemini on here at the moment, and there's an awful lot of anger on here where people are talking about the bad experiences they've received as well. So maybe there's a video to be made at some point about the experiences that project professionals have with dealing with these kind of companies and having these kind of problems, in which case I might tell a few stories from my own experience. And yes, Deloitte, you'd better be scared. And I'll be interested to hear your views as well, so if you've got similar experiences, please drop them in the comments as well, along with the PMO of the year, me, obviously. And if you're thinking that maybe it's not a good idea to publicly attack companies like this online because maybe someday you'll want to get a job there, let me put your mind at ease. Even if they wanted to hire you, from the looks of it, they can't get you through the door. HR will get in the way. So, send me your comments, let me know your thoughts, and I'll catch you next time.